San Francisco's piers have transformed from 19th-century industrial lifelines into 21st-century historic landmarks and tourist destinations. Their history is defined by the 1849 gold rush, the rise of modern shipping, and a mid-century decline that eventually led to urban revitalization. 1. 19th century. The Gold Rush and Early Development. Gold Rush beginnings. 1849. The California Gold Rush turned Yerba Buena Cove into a chaotic harbor. As crews abandoned ships to find gold, the waterfront became a graveyard of hulls, some of which were eventually buried and built over as the city expanded its shoreline. Establishment of the seawall. 1878. To manage the growing maritime traffic, the Board of State Harbor Commissioners began constructing a 3-mile stone-and-concrete seawall, creating the foundation for what is now the Embarcadero. 2. Early 20th century. Modernization and World Wars. Post 1906 earthquake. Following the 1906 earthquake and fire, the city modernized its waterfront. The current numbering system, odd numbers north of the ferry building and even numbers south, was established during this period. The ferry building, 1898. This served as the central hub for the entire system, handling tens of thousands of commuters daily before the completion of the Golden Gate and Bay Bridges. World War II logistics. During the 1940s, the piers became a critical military logistics center for the Pacific Theater. Almost every pier was involved in loading troop ships, equipment, and supplies. 3. Mid-century. Decline and shift to Oakland. The containerization shift, 1950s, 60s, as shipping technology shifted toward large container ships. The Port of Oakland, with more space and better rail access, became the Bay Area's primary commercial shipping hub. Deterioration. Many piers fell into disuse or were destroyed by fire and neglect. The construction of the Embarcadero Freeway in the late 1950s further cut off the city from its waterfront. 4. Late 20th century to present. Revitalization. Pier 39, 1978. Breaking ground in 1977 using salvaged wood from older piers. Pier 39 opened as a shopping and entertainment complex, eventually becoming one of the most visited attractions in the U.S. Historic districts. Today, many piers are preserved as part of the Embarcadero Historic District. Notable rehabilitations include Pier 15, now home to the Exploratorium Museum. Piers 1, 1.5, 3, and 5, known as the Central Embarcadero Piers Historic District. These were restored for commercial and office use. Hyde Street Pier operates as a floating museum under the National Maritime Museum. Fisherman's Wharf, while primarily a tourist hub today, it maintains its heritage as an active fishing port for the local Dungeness crab industry.